Hello and welcome to Cloud Ninja. Today we're going to talk about AWS certification and why it is good to have one. I am a senior cloud engineer with 7 years of experience in AWS. I have 5 different AWS certifications, and today I'm going to tell you 5 reasons why you should get one too. Reason number 1, and the most important reason, is that you will learn a lot during the preparation. AWS has around 200 services and it is impossible to know all of them. Even Bezos doesn't. It is very difficult to learn different services on your own, especially if you're a beginner. But AWS certification spans across all of the most used services, and it goes deep enough. So if you study, it doesn't matter how, either from documentation or an online course. After getting all the knowledge and passing the exam successfully, you will be able to start working right away. Reason number 2 is that you will get an enormous boost of self-confidence. I mean, man, being recognized as a cloud architect by AWS is something to be proud of, especially in the beginning of your career. I got my Cloud Architect Associate certificate when I was a junior cloud engineer. Man, I was proud. That fact of my life definitely contributed to where I am now. Reason number 3 is that you will get some extra respect from your colleagues and your management. If you are the only one who is AWS certified, you will be like a god. If you are one of many, then others know how hard it is to get certified, and they will give you some extra respect for that. Reason number 4 is that you might benefit financially. Many employers encourage certification and they might pay you some money or increase your salary a little if you get certified. I personally have never got any money for getting certified. That's unfortunate. So employers, even if you don't get paid extra for getting certified, you might benefit from it in another way. Some customers specifically require for people who work on their project to be certified. So if you get certified, you might have more projects to choose from in the place you're working now. And finally, reason number 5 is that AWS certification looks really well on your resume. AWS certification is the golden standard of cloud computing industry. It is widely recognized in the whole world. So it doesn't matter whether you are in London, New York, or Madagascar. The employers will know if you are AWS certified, you know cloud, and you know it well. If there are multiple candidates for an open position, and they are all about the same level, but one of them is AWS certified, guess who will get the job? And now I will tell you an unbelievable story from my own experience. And please write in the comments if you had something like this in your life. Now it happened only once, but it happened. I totally skipped technical interview because I was certified. Hiring manager just said, I see you are certified, which means you know your stuff. You are hired. And here are my 5 reasons why I think cloud engineers should get AWS certification. Hey, what do you think? Do you think it's beneficial or a total waste of time? Write in the comments. And if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. I have just started this channel and it will mean a lot to me. Otherwise, thanks for watching and see you next time.